Cook like Snoop, the legendary mac and cheese recipe. Unlock the secrets of Snoop Dogg's legendary mac and cheese. Dive into a world of rich flavors and cheesy goodness as we unveil the recipe that has become a legend in its own right. Get ready to elevate your mac and cheese game to a whole new level with Snoop Dogg's unique twist on this classic comfort food. Ingredients: elbow macaroni, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, Gouda cheese, milk, heavy cream, butter, nutmeg, cayenne, breadcrumbs. Instructions: cook macaroni according to package instructions, aiming for al dente. In a saucepan, melt butter, add flour, then gradually whisk in milk and cream. Stir in grated cheddar, mozzarella, and Gouda until melted and smooth. Season with nutmeg and cayenne to taste. Mix the cheese sauce with cooked macaroni and transfer to a baking dish. Top with breadcrumbs for a crispy finish. Bake until golden brown and bubbly. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Snoop Dogg's legendary mac and cheese is not just a recipe, it's a culinary adventure that promises to tantalize your taste buds. With a symphony of cheeses, perfect seasoning, and a few insider tips, you'll be serving up a dish that's sure to impress.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.